everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Celeste, for those of you who have not met me before here on this channel. And you normally see me do arts and crafts and upcycling and recycling, and the channel is called A Crafter's Story, so obviously that is what I do. But I'm also a writer, and so I decided to wait until my third book was published. I'm a self-published author, before I came and let you guys know what I've been doing on the side. So this is the Black Forest series. It's a trilogy, and I've been working on this series since 2016. So it's, you know, when you write a book, you self-edit and you self-proofread and you self-design your covers, and you try and live life and do things on the side. It takes time. And so I am very proud of these books, and I finally get to share them with everybody. So they are currently available on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description so you can go and have a look there. So the series follows the lives of three sisters, Kelby, Lily, and Wren, and they are halflings. So this is a fantasy fiction series. I thought it might be easier for me to just read the back blurb for you rather than me trying to tell you about the books, because I'll ramble on. And I have little pictures over the covers because these are my author copies, and it says not for resale, and it doesn't look very nice. So I thought, well, I'll print nice copies because I have copies, because I did the covers. I have copies. I'll print them off and put them on top, and it'll look a little nicer. Okay, so for the book one, I will read you the blurb, if that's okay. Kelby's life is confined to her uncle's lonely cottage, his vegetable garden, and the river that flows nearby. He fills her mind with terrifying tales of the dangers that await if she so much as touches the water. Yet, despite his warnings, Kelby hears the river calling to her, its song stirring something deep within. Summoning her courage, she steps into the river one fateful day and shatters the chains of her uncle's control. Beyond the river lies a breathtaking world of dryads, water spirits, fantastic kingdoms, and untold wonders. Kelby discovers she belongs to this magical realm. Her true heritage was hidden from her. To escape her uncle's control and reclaim her rightful place, Kelby must find her inner strength. Along her journey, she forms new friendships and uncovers the family she was forced to forget. So that is Kelby's story. And then when we go to book two, it is Lily's story. In the second installment of the Black Forest series, the journey of triplet sisters Kelby, Wren, and Lily continues. After Uncle Dagon's toxic imprisonment, the princesses are frail, battered, and traumatized. They all expect to return home to Lake Galit. But Lily doesn't respond to any healing therapies and slips into a coma. Their mother, Vivian, is forced to leave Lily on the Adva River, the river bank, with her father, Aiken. Lily may have bonded with her earth essences rather than water, and a potential fate for each halfling princess. She finally heals in a place far from the lake with unlikely friends, and as Lily must adapt to life in the forest, she struggles with the overwhelming challenges and a prophecy that threatens her life once again. And then with book three, the triplets are finally safe. Kelby now reigns over Lake Galit alongside her mother, Vivian. Lily is with Aiken, and Wren is back in the Lake Galit as she continues to heal. Her body is recovering slowly, but when she finally regains consciousness, Wren realizes that the lake may not be her home any longer, and with near tragic consequences, Vivian and Kelby must rush Wren to shore to save her life. Wren is a true halfling and finds that she must share her life between earth and water. She must also learn to live with a new spiritual gift. An old enemy returns, and the fight against Keb intensifies. The new unexpected players enter the ring and many more are victimized as others risk their lives to save the Black Forest from Keb's tyranny. Now, as you read each book, the characters that are mentioned in the blurbs following in book 2 and book 3 will make more sense. Aiken is the triplets' father, Vivian is their mother, and Keb is somebody who is a very definite antagonist, and so is Dagon. And so they are constantly fighting just to stay alive, find their little spot in the world, in the Black Forest and in the lake. And it's just, there's love triangles, there is unlikely friendships, there's a lot of humor, a lot of wit, and I hope character development. I think so. From book to book. Anyway, so these are my babies, these that I spent a lot of time and a little bit of heart and soul as well, a little bit, lots actually, and I hope that it's something that intrigued you and you might want to check out. So I will put the link to these books in the description below. Thank you for sticking around and listening to me read you the blurbs, and I will see you next time. Bye.